How to apply for a mortgage pre-approved on better.com app. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. Now applying for a mortgage approval on better.com app takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Now, what you want to do is, first of all, you have to download the Better Mortgage app or website and select Get Approved options. Then you just want to make sure to go ahead and enter your name, date of birth, social security number, and address as well. Then you have to state your total household income as asset and debit as well. Authorize the soft poll to check your credit or worthiness. And for a basic letter, you are done, or a verified pre-approval, uploads supporting document, typically W-2s, recent pay stubs, bank statement, and tax return as well. A Better Mortgage will provide a pre-approval letter within minutes for a basic or within a few hours to day for a verified ones. And that is how you're supposed to apply for a mortgage pre-approval on Better.com app. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.